Hello students, today in the second day, part 1, the acid, base and salt, we'll discuss. Now before we already discussed about the acids, there are different opinions about the different concepts, Arrhenius concept, Laurie-Bronsted concepts, and also types of the acid, organic and inorganic acids we already discussed. And today we discuss about the chemical properties of the acid react with metals to form their salt and hydrogen gas. And also in the second point here, acid react with the metallic oxide, which are basic in nature, and they form the salt and the water.
So this is the reactions of this one, what we call the metals react with the what? That is the acid react with all these kinds of the metals. Okay. Yeah. Wait. Second point. Okay, already done. Third point. So here these acids do react with the base. They form the corresponding salt. Okay, along with what we call the water. Okay. Okay, so here again in the number third, acids react with what? Okay, acids react with bases to form salt and water. Okay, so any acid you can take, say the H2SO4. Okay, example here, example number 1, you can say H2SO4. This is the sulfuric acid. Okay, it reacts with the base. You can check this, say sodium hydroxide. You know, sodium hydroxide is a strong base. Okay, so it reacts with this base. Okay, then here it will form what it will form. Here it will form the sodium sulfate, Na2SO4 plus, okay, what it will form? Water. Okay, the salt form is the sodium sulfate here, okay, along with the water molecules. Okay, so this is form. Okay, this point we have to keep in mind. Okay, we can write any other examples also. You can take another example. You can take another acid, say the nitric acid, HNO3. Plus, you can take another base like say magnesium hydroxide and all. Okay. Okay. So here what will form? What salt will form? Here it will form. This is the metal. Okay. It will displace the hydrogen and it will form along with this one. That is the magnesium nitrate. MgNO3 whole bracket 2 plus H2O, that is water. I already told you before also, you have to keep in your mind about this one, class 9 notes. Okay, class 9 important notes and all. Okay, because without knowing that one, you will not be able to understand and also. Okay, you will not be able to write all. Okay, so here by applying all those class 9 knowledge only, we are able to write formula. Okay. So this is the what? That is the acid react with the base. Okay, acid react with the base to form their what? That is the salt and the water. And you know this reaction is also called as the what? This reaction is also called as the neutralization reaction. Okay, so in the exam can come the what is neutralization reaction? Okay, neutralization reaction is the reactions between a strong acid or you say acid with a base to form the salt and the water. Okay, so that's point only. So when sometimes you stomach have acidity, at the time what you used to do? Okay, okay, somewhere that maybe the network problem. Okay, my network is good only. Okay, maybe your network problem. Okay, so see, this acidity and all it happens at that time. What we used to take, we used to eat the dicin. Okay, yes. Here, number 4 is acids react with so acid react with metal carbonate. Maybe your problem, okay, Yasni Raji, but I can hear you. Acid react with metal carbonate. Okay, metal carbonate to form. What it will form? Okay, the salt, carbon dioxide, and water. Okay. Salt, carbon dioxide, and water. Okay, it will form the salt, carbon dioxide, and water. Okay, so example of this one is that the hydrochloric acid, HCl, okay, plus magnesium carbonate, okay, MgCO3. Okay, so this is the metal carbonate. Okay, the acid react with the metal carbonate. Okay, so here you will form the magnesium chloride. This is the salt. Magnesium chloride. This is the salt. Okay, and it will also produce what says that will produce the water and the carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide and H2. Okay, so this is an example of this one. Okay, and if I give you about another example of this one. Okay, so another example of this same example here, number 1, and then number 2, here it will come, you can take any other acid. Okay, so what is that? That is the H2SO4. Okay, that is H2SO4, we take here sulfuric acid. Okay, H2SO4 plus here we'll take the calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Okay, sulfuric acid is react with the calcium carbonate. Okay, so here it will form the what it will form calcium sulfate. Because you know calcium will displace this hydrogen as it being the more reactive. Okay, and actually here this is the double displacement reaction that you already learned in the chapter number 1. Okay, calcium will displace the hydrogen. Okay, and this sulfate will come in react with this one, and it will form CaSO4. Okay, CaSO4 along with what? That is water H2O plus carbon dioxide, CO2 it will form. Okay, so that's what only we have to know. For those who have the problem, just wait. Okay, so it may be your network problem. My network is okay only. It's good only. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, next comes to the here number 5 point. Here in the number 5 point, what will come? Acid react with the metal hydrogen carbonate. Okay, so acid react with the metal hydrogen carbonate to form salt, carbon dioxide, and the water. Okay, so here will come number 5. Here acid reacts with metal hydrogen carbonate. Okay, so here also will form the to form salt. What salt will form? That is the metallic salt. Okay, to form the salt, water, and also will form the carbon dioxide. Okay, CO2 directly you can write down. Now see here, this is the what? Acids react with metal hydrogen carbonate, okay, to form salt, water, and carbon dioxide. And before we already learned that this is the number 4 example. Okay, so the acids react with the metal carbonate. Acid react with the metal carbonate to form metallic salt, water, and the carbon dioxide. Okay, the product form in this case are same only. Okay, but here again see in the number 5, acids react with metal hydrogen carbonate. Okay, acid react with metal hydrogen carbonate to form salt, water, and carbon dioxide. Even here also. Okay, so example here I take here HCl, hydrochloric acid, react with the metal hydrogen carbonate. What is that? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, sodium hydrogen carbonate, this is the metal hydrogen carbonate. Okay, so here again it will form what? Only see. Some of you are not coming. See, before it was 19 of you and 3 of them are not coming. I am not taking roll call for them. Okay, sodium hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydrogen carbonate. Here again, same compound, same product will form. What will form? Sodium chloride. Okay, so sodium chloride. So this is the salt. Okay, and carbon dioxide plus water is 2O. Okay, so these 3 products will change. See the products from here, water and carbon dioxide. Here also carbon dioxide or water and carbon dioxide as a. Okay, Lenovo tab is coming. Okay, who is this Lenovo tab? I am not. Okay, I am not getting the who is he or she. Okay, so please send your name in the WhatsApp group. Okay, next time just to change the name also. Okay, so here carbon dioxide, water, and salt. Here it is formed. Okay, so you can take the another example again. Sulfuric acid is 2SO4. Okay, it reacts with the KH. Okay, CO3. That is potassium hydrogen carbonate. That is, I told you, metal hydrogen carbonate. Okay, so here this is metal. What is metal? Sodium. Hydrogen. This is metal. Whose metal? Sodium. Hydrogen carbonate. CO3 is together we call carbonate, as we know. Even here also, this is the potassium hydrogen carbonate. Another metal we take. Okay, then here it will form what? Potassium sulfate. This potassium is more liquid, it will kick out this one, then it will come in combined with this potassium. Then potassium sulfate will form. Okay, and here will come K2SO4. Okay, along with what? That is the carbon dioxide plus water is 2O. Okay, K2SO4 plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, okay, so it will form. So these things we have to keep in mind. Okay, so this is what about the chemical properties of the what we can say that is the acid. Okay, so after this one only we are going to study about the bases. Okay, so generally we will discuss about the base. Okay, just opposite or some points are opposite with that of the acid. Okay, but all others are not same. Okay, so with the 5 points we already know that the chemical properties. Okay, and also its physical properties. First one we already come to know that metal. Okay, sorry, the acids react with the metal. They form the salts and the hydrogen gas, as we know.
In the second point, acids reacts with the metal oxide, which are basic in nature, to form salt and water. Okay, so metal oxide are generally, they are basic in nature only. Okay, so and this reaction is also called as the this is also called as the neutralizations reactions. Okay,
and next is the acid react with the bases to form metallic salts and the water. Okay, and next comes the acid react with the metal carbonates. Metal carbonate form. Okay, like calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, and they form what? They form water, metallic salt, and carbon dioxide. And the last point is that acid reacts with the metal hydrogen carbonate. Okay, metal hydrogen carbonate. Actually, see, sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is your baking soda that we use at home. Okay, therefore only. Okay, like this kind of the metal hydrogen carbonate, when it reacts, okay, it will form what? That is salt, carbon dioxide, and water. Okay, the number 4 and number 5, their products are almost same only. Okay, but the reacting material is different. One is carbonate, one is metal hydrogen carbonate that we react on. Okay, so this is all about the acid. So let us proceed to the base. Yeah.